I wish I could remember what he said.
I hope you don't hurt something. Going for a new amateur world record.
In my super go get the deer sled. Oh shit!
You alright?
I hit a tree. No kidding.
Oh man, you hit that hard too. I got it all on camera.
I only,
That was awesome.
I only needed to clear it by 4 inches.
That's gonna get you a lot of likes. So here's my
I needed 4 more inches. I would have cleared it.
here's my spot, guys.
Okay, goodbye. REO-Outdoors. Laugh your butts off. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm not injured, but I do need a chiropractor.
Right up here. And
Garrett Saldano. I need your help right now.
I sat right here.
Like, share, subscribe. REO-Outdoors.